My name is Sydney if you're new to my channel and this is the first time seeing me. I love to do decorating videos here on my channel, so if all things decorating interest you, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe so you never miss an upload from me. Now, as you can see from the title, today I am doing a entryway and living room fall decorate with me. I'm sticking to just these two areas today. Most of the items I am showing you are from Amazon and Hobby Lobby. If you would like to see how I put it all together, then please continue to watch.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been.
To start with, I took down our entryway mirror and replaced it with this Hobby Lobby Thankful and Blessed sign. I used my Thieves cleaner to wipe down our entryway bench. Thieves has a fall-like smell to it anyways, so it's perfect for this time of year.
I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.
Next, I laid down a eucalyptus garland for the base of my floral arrangement.
All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
I also added in some eucalyptus stems to my vase to set to the side.
I have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
I found these adorable pumpkin stems at Hobby Lobby and thought they would be perfect for this vase as well.
Going back, but I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no.
I had this floral arrangement I purchased from TJ Maxx a few years back, and I didn't love how square and bulky it was. So I just removed all the picks and the pumpkins to use for my entryway.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Just placed the different picks around the eucalyptus until it looked nice and full.
Don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
I thought this Marshall's tiered tray would look really nice on the left side here. The wood ties in well with all the other warm tones going on. These little signs are from Hobby Lobby, and I thought the Welcome Friends was perfect for the entryway.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures.
Normally I have two of these baskets under here, but I decided to use this galvanized bucket to tie in the other items on my tiered tray. I was originally going to use it outside, so I'm thinking I may pick up another one.
No, I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know.
This pillowcase is from Hobby Lobby, and I picked up two of them.
Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know
Next, I took 2 of these leaf floral stems from Hobby Lobby and tied them together with another eucalyptus garland. I then placed them onto a command hook that I hung right above the sign. I just love the leaves and pine cones next to this wood frame.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back, but I don't have to be.
I found these pillowcases off of Amazon, as well as this adorable fall quote pillowcase. I'll link them down below for you guys if you are interested.
'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know.
I thought it would be so cute to put my 2 white lanterns on both sides of my TV stand and stuff them with pumpkins and have them kind of falling out of them.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
So this pumpkin I picked up from Hobby Lobby and painted it a moss green. It used to be white with speckles, so to me it's so much prettier now.
And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
These next 2 pillow covers are also from Amazon. I love how neutral they are.
This is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back, but I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have.
Okay, so that wraps up my fall living room and entryway decorate with me. I hope that you guys found some inspiration if you're looking to start decorating for fall. I know I'm early, but I just couldn't help it. I'm too excited. And I'm actually going to be doing my coffee bar, kitchen area, and dining space next. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
All I know